Hey, what's up guys? So yep, another day, another helmet resined. And this one, yeah, I think I did a better job because I could touch it with my hands and it's not sticky. Like, it's a little bit sticky, but it works. So I did the resin correct on this helmet. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna stick it here in the sun in the sunroom to let it bake for a little bit, maybe for the whole day. Yeah, here's the helmet that messed up. Well, it's actually working now. It's actually, the surface is actually hard now. So, but anyways, I'll probably let this sit another day or two, see if it figures itself out. And this one here is just finished print today. So, okay, so now I have 3 helmets. I was gonna make 3 different colors. This one is gonna be red, this one gonna be white, and then the one sitting in the drying room, that's gonna be black. So yeah, and these are all just, I don't know what I'm gonna do with these yet, because I think they're too small. So maybe I'll just save them for testing out paint. So I might have to resin all these up just to get a test going. I bought a sewing machine to do all the inner linings of the helmet. This one was pretty cheap actually. It was like $90 or something. I got the thread and everything, so I'm about to learn me some threading and some sewing. It's gonna be fun. So hopefully, yeah, I can get everything done in 1 month. So there's 2 shows that are happening, and it's being thrown by a brand called Neophoric. So they're very, I guess, cyberpunk focused. Actually, the way I found out about Neophoric was I was at a concert and I saw some dudes wearing their clothing, and there's some really sick clothing. Let's see if I can find anything by them. Go to their brand. So this is Neophoric. They're a clothing brand based in San Diego, and they make the really cool, they're called mantles, diaper mantles. So I have that one, and I might get that one. I think they just restocked it on that. And then I just ordered this one, and it should be coming soon. It's the red one. It'll go really well with the red helmet. But as you can see, their clothing is really it's really like super cyberpunky. The graphics really cool. Oh, I didn't even see that. That's a cool shirt. I might have to add that to the cart. Shopping while I'm recording the video. But yeah, they also make women clothing too, which is cool. It's mostly like raver clothing, so lightweight and cool, so that way you can rave and stay cool and look cool. Yeah, that's all at the same time. But yeah, they got some really cool stuff. They do like this really nice holographic type graphic. It's really cool. Yeah, so that's Neophoric. So Neophoric is throwing a party, 2 parties. So this one's gonna be on the East Coast in New York City. And this one here is going to be on the West Coast in California. So I'm still debating which show I want to go to, but I'm gonna bring my helmets there and wear some of Neophoric's clothing just to, you know, interact with all the other cool people. Also, so another brand that I'm wearing is called Machine 5060. So that's the Machine 5060, Machine 56, 5060. Now we call them both by both names, 5060 or 56. But yeah, so this is all their clothing, and it sells out really quickly. So like, as you can see, like this bag, it was only released for like a day or something. It's already sold out. But yeah, they just restocked the white shirt, this white jacket, the white bomber, the white pant or the black pants, and restocked the black jacket. I have this one already. I think I just have to order this one, so we're just gonna select a large, add the cart, and hopefully I remember to come back and check out on that. So but yeah, So all this stuff is going to go really well with the helmet that I'm designing. And it's crazy because like it's probably the reason why I'm making the helmet in the first place, because they have these helmets, right? Like it's really cool. It's like cyberpunk helmet. They call this the Rex helmet, but unfortunately they sell out so freaking fast, like within minutes of them releasing. So it's really hard to get a hold of them. And like they have these face masks too, which is really cool. Not really a fan of those. Yeah, so this is another half face mask. But you can see they have some really cool clothing. A lot of cool graphics on their clothing. So yeah, this is the helmet that I have, the red one. DFG R4, DFG2 R4. So it's a really nice helmet. But the one that I really wanted it was the Rex. This one. Yeah, as you can see, it's a really cool helmet. It's like all black and, you know, it's very cyberpunky, lots of cool graphics. Yeah, it's roughly $795. But yeah, this sold out within minutes, and you know, you can sometimes see them pop up on like resell, like on eBay or whatever. But they resell them for like $1,500. It's just nuts, dude. So yeah, you can see all the helmets they have. It's really cool. Yeah, so this is Rex. This is a Rex. So it's like similar helmet, but different colorways and different straps. Yeah, but I really dig the Rex helmets. So these are the Rex helmets. Like this all black one is really clean. Yeah, so yeah, if you guys don't know this clothing, go check them out. You know, I'll be modeling some of the clothes for my own channel and doing some photo shoots and stuff. So be on the lookout for that.
Here we go, at the top of the class on a roll, and it's time to run it up, yeah you know. Maxed out, put the pedal to the floor, ayy, on the road, here we go, yeah we winning by a landslide. Never see me coming on my landmine.
All right,
yeah,
so first implementation of the mesh on the inside. This is my first go at it, so like, I don't know, what do you guys think? It's pretty nice, right? Yeah, it's much easier than I thought it was going to be to work with. I used double-sided tape. I used double-sided duct tape, so this stuff, to put it on. And I thought the white was going to show through. It shows through a little bit, but you can't really tell. Yeah, anyways, this is just a prototype. And so far, man, this stuff is super labor-intensive. Yeah, I got to do the straps next, and that's going to be pretty intense too, right? So yeah, let's see how that turns out. I wanted to do this on a painted or primered helmet, but yeah, you guys saw me have issues with the resin and stuff. So yeah, so far it's come along. I guess I'll get started on the strap next. I just unloaded the Singer. So let's go. I'm gonna learn how to use this thing, so that way I can I have the straps here on this side, so I could get started on the straps with the belt buckles and everything. And so I got that. Got this too. So I mean, it's looking like, so the Machine 56 helmet has a strap that goes across this way and around this way around your head. But since I have so much overlap on top, I'm thinking that I just need only one strap. So I'm going to test it out with just one strap. And then if I need it, I'll go ahead and put that third strap. But I think just the one going across will be enough. So yeah, so I'll get tested on that next. So yeah, I got the strap on. Some interesting things to note. So like, I guess on the Machine 5060, they did a smart thing where they sliced a slot here, and then they routed the strap through the slot. But the problem with that is it'll break right here, which is what happened to my mask, and I had to fix it. So I thought, okay, I mean, why didn't they just do this and put the strap on under the felt stuff, the plastic stuff? And so and then I realized, like, when you do that, when you pull this, you can see it's coming off, right? So that means it's gonna pull this off too, even on this side too. So I see why they did what they did. So yeah. Anyways, this it's peeling off because I didn't use tape everywhere. This was just a test, and yeah, I mean, looks like it works. So basically, I used double-sided tape on double-sided tape to cover it. So what I want to do next is I want to just drill 2 screws in there under the fabric, and hopefully that will hold it in place. I might have to do it over here on the edge too. So 1, 2, 1, 2 over here on the edge, and then glue it down somehow. So, but yeah, it looks like it's coming along. I'm gonna try to put it on and see what it looks like. Let's see if this works. It's probably gonna pull off here, so I don't mind. I'm just gonna slide my face in there, and it's much more different. Okay, so I don't know how I'm gonna put this in. So what I'll probably have to do is stretch the crap out of this, and it's probably gonna come off. Okay, this is harder. This is pretty hard. Yeah, that's not gonna stick very well. So what I will do. Okay. Okay, with my hat, with the strap. Pretty tight. Smells like duct tape. Because I'm using mostly duct tape in here. So it looks like I don't have the strap centered. So one side shorter than the other. Pretty tight fit with the hat. It's pretty tight fit around my ear. But overall it's looking good. Okay. Let me try it with the jacket. Dude, I can't believe I made the helmet. Crazy. So again, the lens, I'm getting that laser cut, and that should be here at the end of the week. That's gonna be dope. Once it gets here, I'm gonna dye the lens black, because right now it's clear. Yeah. So yeah, this is what I'm using to color the lens. It's iodide something, iodide poly. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna use. So yeah.